Hola Mzansi. Welcome to the Soccer YouTube channel. There will keep you updated about soccer news the way you want them to be. So if you are new to this channel, please make sure you subscribe and like this video. So Buffett, according to the rumors that has been speculating, the Orlando Pirates won 20 million rand for Talent Mbata after the English club has showed interest in him. After an impressive display for the Orlando Pirates and the Bafana Bafana, the midfielder Talent Mbata has attracted interest from the English Championship side Sutherland AFC. Mbata joined the Orlando Pirates permanently at the start of the current season after a successful loan spell. The Soto club has priced the player at a reported 20 million. The local football fans have reacted on social media to say that Mbata must ignore the interest from overseas, while others believe that he has the skill to be a star outside of Mzansi. The 24-year-old midfielder joined the Pirates at the start of the season of the 2024 to 2025 after a successful loan spell while scoring two key goals in many appearances for Bafana Bafana. Since joining Orlando Pirates on a permanent basis, Mbata has established himself as one of the best players in Mzansi. Pirates have reportedly given the star a 20 million prize. According to Sia's source at Pirates, the player has attracted interest from Sutherland, while agent Mike Mokup denied rumors about the Nedbank Cup champions. The source said, although his agent denies it, there is interest from Sutherland AFC in England for Mbata. But Pirates has no intention of selling the player. If you remember, he only signed up for the club at the start of the season after being on loan here, so he still has a contract. If Sutherland want him, then he will have to pay a massive transfer fee. But all indications are that Pirates want to keep him because he is the key player for Coach Riverio, and Mbata is very happy here. In the future, he is seen as the player of the team can build around. So Bafeto, now what do you have to say about this? Please place your views in the comment section.